Deep in the heart of rural Zimbabwe, where life was simple and every family depended on the land, lived a young couple named Tawanda and Rudo. As the sun rises higher, Tawanda and Rudo begin their daily routines, tending to their crops and nurturing their dreams in this idyllic village. With each passing moment, the couple's laughter fills the air, a reminder that love and hard work can cultivate not just crops, but a fulfilling life together. In the heart of the village, neighbors greet each other warmly, sharing news and laughter, reinforcing the strong bonds of community that flourish in this tranquil setting. Rudo was a hard-working woman who believed that a happy home was built with patience, sacrifice, and love. As Rudo sets the breakfast table, she envisions the smiles on her family's faces, knowing that each meal is a labor of love. Rudo's heart fills with joy as her children rush to the table, excited for the meal that signifies not just nourishment, but also love and connection. In that moment, Rudo felt a deep sense of fulfillment, knowing that the simplest moments could create the most cherished memories. After the meal, Rudo and her children work together, illustrating the importance of unity and teamwork in their daily lives. In a light-hearted exchange, a man jokingly tells his girlfriend that if laziness were a job, she would be the CEO. The woman responds with a witty comeback, claiming that if talking nonsense were a profession, he would be a millionaire. Their banter escalates as the man insists he has talent, only for the woman to tease him that his talent lies in annoying her. They both burst into laughter and walk away hand in hand, showcasing their playful relationship. Settling into their comfortable couch, the couple leans into one another, laughter still ringing in the air as they exchange more playful jibes. The room is filled with warmth, evidenced by the cherished memories captured in the photos that adorn the walls, highlighting the joy of their shared.
Oh my gosh, you have to look at this right now.
No way, did we actually get the apartment? We did!
We did! We're officially roommates!
Babe, if laziness was a job, you'd be the CEO.
Really? And if talking nonsense was a job?
At least I'm talented.
Talented at annoying me.
A little love goes a long way. I don't need expensive gifts. I just need your love and respect.
And I don't need perfection. I just need your smile and your support.
Marriage isn't about who is always right.
It's about choosing each other every single day.
Love, respect, forgive, and grow together.
Choose each other every day.
Me.
I don't need expensive gifts. I just need your love and respect.
And I don't need perfection. I just need your smile and your support.